start.
Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about elephant toothpaste experiment. Elephant's toothpaste is a foamy substance caused by the rapid decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, using potassium iodide or yeast and warm water as a catalyst. How rapidly the reaction proceeds will depend on the concentration of hydrogen peroxide. You know, an elephant is the largest animal, especially African forest elephant and the Asian elephant. It is huge in size, which is twice as larger than other animals like horse or a cow. Materials which are required such as plastic bottles or glasses, dry yeast, warm water, liquid dish soap, large tray, measuring cups and spoons, hydrogen peroxide, and liquid food coloring. Safety first before starting the procedure. Always wear goggles before starting the experiment. Hydrogen peroxide can irritate eyes and affect eyesight. First step, pour half cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Then add few drops of dish soap and of food coloring into the bottle. Second step, mix the ingredients in the bottle. Third step, you have to combine warm water and yeast in another container and stir it for 30 seconds. And final step, pour into the substance of hydrogen peroxide with mixed ingredients and watch the foamy toothpaste coming out. Why does it happen? When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. Oxygen is a gas and therefore wants to escape the liquid. The dish soap that you added to your reaction, however, traps these gas bubbles, forming a foam. The reaction continues as long as there is some hydrogen peroxide and yeast left. Once one of them runs out, it stops making new foam. You can try lots of various colors, that doesn't really matter, can be either pink or green or blue, etc. For one thing, we relate this with the fire snake experiment which continues to grow out. So that is how the experiment we tried on elephant's toothpaste. Like, comment, and subscribe now.